flexible circuits are increasingly common as you try and fit more in less space and strive to reduce EMI or EMC. With OrCAD, you can easily define bend angle, bend length, bend radius, and keep out areas. Now let's see how you can create bend areas. In this design, there are multiple flexible areas. Let's define bend area for one of the flex regions. Go to the Setup menu and choose Bend, and then Create. Now, you will see a Create Bend Area window, where you enter all the details of your bend. A bend area contains information about the bend line, bend radius, bend angle, and keep out areas, which can be easily exported for manufacturing. Next, enter the bend name as Bend 1, and then click on the canvas to set the start and end points for the bend line. Notice this flexible area ends towards a male connector. The position of the counter female connector in the final product will determine the bending parameters. For this product, the inner slide will be top, the inner radius will be 3, and the angle will be 135. You can specify the bend order if you are creating multiple bends in one design. Our example only has one bend, so we'll leave it blank for now. Keep out areas of the same size will be created by default, but if you want to create bigger keep outs, you can define the oversized value. Let's enter 1 here. Now hit Create to see the bend areas on the board. A marker is shown on the board indicating the bend, but it's even easier to see in 3D by clicking on 3D from the toolbar. In the 3D canvas, you can bend your flexible part at any angle from 0 to 135 degrees. Right-click on the 3D canvas and select Bend. The Options widget will be updated with all the bends in your design. You can move the slider to adjust the bend percentage, or enter the exact angle you want to see the bend. Notice that, along with defining a different stackup and materials for the flexible part of your design, specifying the bend details accurately communicates to manufacturing where the bending and flexing should occur. Similarly, you can create bends in other flex areas of your PCB and visualize the results in 3D. With OrCAD, it's easy to create bendable areas in your rigid flex design to fit your final product.